What is up, my beautiful babies and gifts of the world? It's your girl Keelan, aka Itskeilynnn, and I am back with another mother freaking video.
Perfect, she don't understand. She's perfect. All that beauty goes deeper than the surface. Don't be afraid to catch fish. Red dressed up and chase the...
Now, I know it has been a minute since I have sat down and did a video, and honestly it really hasn't been that long. It's just I have not posted anything on my channel because I was just, I'll get into that later. So this video is not going to be a it's not going to be a makeup video or anything like that, because as you guys know, I want to expand my channel to do other things. Well, back in May I got accepted to do a modeling thing, and it was going great until it wasn't. So I did a vlog about that, but because things just did not go well, I had to delete the vlog and just put modeling on hold for a while. So this video is going to be where I have been and why haven't I been on YouTube. First I want to say thank you for everyone who stuck with me. I know I did lose a bunch of subscribers, but for those who stuck with me while or in my absence, I just want to say thank you for that. So let's just jump into this video. So yes, I have taken a big break from YouTube, and it is because I had to get myself mentally stable, if you will, because I just had a lot going on. I was not in a good headspace to be doing YouTube. Like, I would record videos and then delete them and just not like the outcome because I just was not in a good headspace. So I had to get back to doing me, things that I would normally do. So I've been taking just time off to find me again. I actually had 2 vlogs that I was supposed to record. The first vlog was actually the modeling thing, and then later I went to, around in May or June, actually, yeah, in May I went to Texas, and I was supposed to record then, but I just didn't. Well, no, it was April going into May. I went to Texas, and then I was supposed to record, and I just didn't because I just went to spend time with my dad's side of the family, just enjoy that time. I would definitely be vlogging this time because I did tell him that I would, and he said he was totally fine with that. I just didn't want to have a camera in their face and everything like that. So I will show you guys more of my family, because if you guys don't know, well, you probably don't, because I don't share a lot of personal business. My mom and dad are not together, and so now I am with my mom. When I go back to Texas, I will be with my dad, so I will try to vlog more on both sides of my family. Probably not gonna happen a lot, but I'll try to start incorporating, just so you can so I can introduce the people of my life and who I'm around daily. My best friend has been with me, and okay, last time y'all saw or heard the word best friend, it was a different person, but this is a new person who I am talking about. She will be on my channel a lot. Honestly, we have a lot of videos coming. We just have to have time off of work. So yeah, that is that. But another big part of why I haven't been on YouTube as often is because I've just been trying to get back to me. So literally me and my best friend have literally been just going to do random things, being girls, and just life hit us hard. Like, life has been hitting us hard, and we really have been just trying to figure this whole adulting thing out. I am only 20, therefore I have a long time, you know, the rest of my life to figure out this adulting thing, but it is hitting hard right now. But yeah, that's like all the, I'm not gonna say bad stuff, but like that's not the good stuff of why I've been out, you know, just like absent from YouTube, because you just get in this place where you just want, like, you just lose your motivation and you just don't feel like anything is good enough to be put up. And I always want to have good quality content on this channel. Sorry if I sound like really gross. It's allergy time for me. Love it. Seasonal allergy is great. But yeah, so with that being said, it's just, you know, I always want to have good quality content on this channel. If I don't think it's good enough to be here, like, and I'm not gonna say I'm the best YouTuber because I know I'm not, but I just want my quality to always go up. I don't want it to go down as far as videos and everything. So if I recorded a video and I just was not into it, it was just, you know, I would not post it, I would not do anything. But I am like back in my groove and I feel like I should be recording more, so I'm going to try my best to record more. So yeah, guys, it's just, you know, you have to like mentally be motivated, and literally lately I have not been that motivated to just do anything, and I know that sucks and it's crappy, but I'm being honest, and you guys, I want to be honest and truthful with you guys. So yeah, that's where my head has been lately. Another a good reason as to why I have been absent on YouTube is because I recently started my own business, and my business that I started is it's a lip gloss business. It's a miniature, or it's a lip gloss / cosmetics line. It's called Simply Luscious by Itskeilynnn, and I will link everything down below for you guys, so if you want to go and check it out. So far I have 6 glosses on my website, and I will be expanding my website to other things. I cannot mention that now, but yeah, so I just thought I would show you guys. I just thought I would show you guys some of the lip gloss, or like the lip gloss that's on my website. And by the way, all these are handmade lip glosses, and I am very sanitary with my stuff because that is just gross, and I want people to actually come back and you know, order more lip gloss. So the first one, I think this one has to be my all-time favorite. This one is called Rosé, and it is literally a beautiful rose gold glitter lip gloss. And it is flavored, and it is flavored, or the flavor, that's what I'm trying to say, is tropical punch. This one is tropical punch flavored, and this is what it looks like. It's, in my opinion, it is like really gorgeous. I've had people order off of my website. I've had my mom actually ordered, like, she ordered the first 3 I ever made, which this one is the second one. It's called Golden Girl. It is also this one is not flavored, but it is just a regular gold lip gloss. You know, you can see the speckles of gold in there, and it's just a really great shimmer. And these glosses, they're not sticky. They're like, they go on really smooth, and I just love them so freaking much. This one is called Zam Daddy, because, you know, yeah. But this one's called Zam Daddy, and it is a gorgeous pink fluorescent color. It is so gorgeous to me. I actually had one person order this, and she loves this one. So this is Zam Daddy, and then I have 3 more. The other one is called Bestie. It is a dedication to my best friend. Her favorite color is purple, so the glitter in the lip gloss is purple, and her favorite flavor is watermelon, so it is watermelon flavored. So yes, I dedicated that one to her. The other one is called Pink Glaze, and I'll insert a picture of what they look like tested on me. Well, it's somewhere in this video, or like probably there or there, whatever side. But it's Bestie, Pink Glaze, and the last one is Pearl, and it is such a gorgeous white lip gloss with glitter in it. Like, I never ever thought like I would look good in white lip glosses. The only reason I have not well, I've tested all my lip glosses, but I made these 3 extra for me, but I did not make extra of the other ones, and I don't want to go into my products because, as you can tell, I have made a lot. So I'm just going to show you. This one is Pink Glaze. This is what it looks like, It is a gorgeous pink color, and it has specks of gold glitter and yellow glitter to give it some more like shimmer to it. And they come in these mesh bags, and the theme for my website, like the color scheme for my website, is literally yellow and gray or yellow and silver. Lately I have like been in everything has for me, I love yellow and gray or yellow and silver. As you can tell, like that's just been the mood I've been in. But they come in a mesh bag like this, and then when you order from my website, it comes in a yellow mailer, like a bubble mailer. I'll show you guys exactly what it looks like. So this is the bubble mailer that it comes in. I bought like 100 of these. I also bought like 100 mesh bags like this. So this is the these are the smaller tubes, which sell for $6, and then I have the larger tubes of the exact same. So these are the Golden Girls, and of course they look different, but they're the exact same. I made them the exact same way. But a lot of people prefer the squeezies over the applicators, or vice versa. But these go for $8 and these go for $6 on my website. So yeah, I have I'm going to show you the purple one and the other one that I have. So this is Bestie, and it is literally all purple. The glitter inside is purple. It looks pink on camera, but it's purple, I promise. And it is watermelon flavored, as I said before. And then lastly, this one is called Pearl, and as you can tell, it looks pearl. That's why I called it that. It has a glitter on it from the mesh bag. But so yeah, this is why I love and it looks, when I tell you this looks so pretty, like I was nervous about how this was going to actually come out and look, but it looks gorgeous. All of my products I have the regular Versagel, vitamin E oil, coconut oil, organic coconut oil, and then I just put whatever other flavoring to it or whatever I want in it. And I just really have been dedicated to my business. I officially launched my opening May 30th, 31st, or maybe even June 1st. Between those 3 days, I want to say. But if I'm not mistaken, it was May 30th. It was like May 29th through the 1st of June. Because as soon as I ordered, or as soon as it was the 29th. It was the 29th, I want to say. But so yeah, I have, and obviously I'm just a startup business, so I haven't been getting like a lot of business, but I have been getting business. I have profited off of these. My best friend actually ordered like 4 from me. She ordered 4. My mom ordered 3. I have people that buy from me at work. I also have a girl who bought 2 of them, which I was very proud of, because she gave me a shout out on Facebook and everything, and she was just like, I love it. They're actually amazing quality. They are non-sticky, because we don't want the stickiness. I'll actually put on the Zam Daddy for you guys so you can actually see what it looks like on my lips. This is what it looks like up close. I'll zoom in so you guys can see it. It's very non-stick. It goes on super smooth. You can put however much you want. You can build the color up if you want to. This is what the color looks like built up. So yeah, it's like a really cute fluorescent pink color. And then obviously there's the gold speckles. Now let me just tell y'all, this one actually popping. Like my lips, I'll insert a picture here. My lips are actually popping when I have this on and when I have this on. Like I was so surprised at how these came out. As you can tell, this was my favorite. I use it quite a bit. But yeah, so that's why I haven't really been on YouTube, because I've just been trying to focus on finding me again, finding what I like to do. The whole college thing didn't work out for me right now, but I was just like, my mom's an entrepreneur and my dad is an entrepreneur. Why can't I there's something I have to be good at. So I started my own cosmetics line. There will be more things coming like soon. I just can't talk about it yet because I don't want to jinx it. But I'm super excited. I already have my logos and everything. They're not on these tubes yet, but when they come in, they will be on the tubes, and I will insert a picture of my logo because it is super gorgeous. And I will also leave my website in the description down below. So if you guys want to go check it out and support me, you can. It'd be greatly appreciated. You know, I accept all forms of payment, Cash App, Zelle, Apple Pay, I even accept, I accept cash, obviously. I even have my own card reader. So, you know, I'm official. But yeah, this is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Always remember to stay classy and a little bit trashy. And I'll see you guys in my next video.